Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're ready? Check iOS is up to date and back up your device. Open Settings, tap Display and Brightness, then select Dark so the system switches immediately. This fixes the majority of display issues. Once done, make sure to restart your iPhone if the theme doesn't apply. That clears temporary glitches. You're changing the global appearance here, which affects system apps and many third-party apps that follow iOS appearance settings. Next, refine behaviors that override dark mode. In Display and Brightness, enable Automatic and choose Sunrise/Sunset or a custom schedule so appearance switches on time. This prevents unexpected light mode. Then go to Accessibility, right arrow Display and text size, and disable Smart/Classic Invert or color filters if they are interfering, because these can mimic light themes. Also inspect wallpapers and finish by updating iOS and performing a force restart to ensure all changes take effect. That often resolves stubborn mismatches. If dark mode still behaves incorrectly, go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Reset all settings. This restores system defaults without erasing data and removes conflicting configs. As a last troubleshooting tip, if reset doesn't help, back up your iPhone and contact Apple support. Persistent display problems can indicate app bugs or hardware issues that require deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.